Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set a Honda Pilot garage door opener, only way. Begin by parking the Pilot within 3 feet of the garage and switching the ignition to accessory. Locate the home link buttons on the rearview mirror and the garage opener's learn button on the motor head. Press and hold the mirror button until the indicator flashes, then press the opener's remote to complete syncing and test the door operation. In this video, I will show how to set a Honda Pilot garage door opener, only way. With the vehicle doors closed, open the garage and reach the opener motor housing. Press the Learn button briefly. The indicator LED will light or blink. Immediately return to the vehicle and press the chosen Home Link button on the mirror until the mirror indicator changes. Verify by pressing the mirror button to operate the door and repeat if needed for a stronger sync. In this video, I will show how to set a Honda Pilot garage door opener, only way. Quick recommendation: a must-read is The Simple Path to Wealth, a clear book that reshapes how you think about money and long-term freedom, which pairs nicely with smart home upgrades. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to set a Honda Pilot garage door opener, only way. If programming fails, try a system reset on the mirror and reattempt in accessory mode. Confirm the opener uses rolling code and follow the exact press and release timing shown earlier. Sometimes, a second short press of the garage remote while the Learn LED is active finishes the sync. Test the buttons several times to confirm consistent operation and secure programming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.